Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn 10 super useful English verbs. You'll hear meaning, examples, and verb forms. Number 1, go. To move from one place to another. Go, went, gone. Examples, we went to the beach yesterday, and I go to work every day. Number 2, do. Meaning to perform an action or a task. Do, did, done. He did the dishes last night, and I do my homework. Make, meaning to create or build something, to cause something to happen. Make, made, and made. He made a big mistake, or he makes great pizza. Eat, meaning to put food in your mouth and swallow it. Forms eat, ate, eaten. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. He ate dinner last night. Drink, meaning to swallow liquid. Drink, drank, drunk. She drinks tea every morning. He drank coffee yesterday. See, meaning to use your eyes to look at something. See, saw, seen. Examples, I see you, and we saw a movie yesterday. Like, meaning to enjoy or feel good about something. Like, liked, and liked. I like learning English, and she liked the gift. Need, meaning to require something important. Need, needed, and needed. I need help, and he needed more time. Want, meaning to wish to have or do something. Want, wanted, wanted. I want ice cream, and she wanted to call you. Take, meaning to get or hold something. Take, took, taken. I take the train to school. They took a photo together. Okay, quick quiz time. Number 1, choose the correct verb. Which sentence is correct? I do a cake, I make a cake, I'm doing a mistake, or I make yoga. Answer B, I make a cake. Fill in the blank. She blanked a mistake yesterday. Make, made, makes, or making. Answer B, made. 3 meaning match. Question, which verb is best for creating something? Do or make? Answer B, make. Do or make. Question, you usually blank your homework at night. Make, do, does, or made. Answer B, do. Super, how did you do? Make sure you let me know in the comments. Great job today. You learned 10 very important verbs in English, plus their meanings and how to use them. Keep practicing the conjugations and try making your own example sentences. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!